Hello everyone, here's another AdoPiSoft video tutorials. In the previous version, you can only use one captive portal theme for all interfaces or subvendo. This tutorial will guide you on how to set up different captive portals per interface in version 5.1.3. First, let's log in to Machine Admin, then go to Network menu, then select Interfaces. Let's start to set up the interfaces. As you can see, there are 4 interfaces. This interface is the ETH1 or LAN 1 of the mini PC. This P for P1 is the WAN or the ETH0 of the mini PC wherein connected to our internet source modem. And this third interface is assigned to the 𝗀𝗡ast antenna. This serves as the ETH2 or LAN 2 of the mini PC. Now let's set a captive portal per interface. Just follow the process in the video. I will create an alias to this interface. Since the 𝗀𝗏𝗁𝗔 router is connected to this interface, I will use the name 𝗀𝗏𝗁𝗔 just like I said in the theme variant to easily assign it in the advanced subvendo. In this part, you must choose what theme variant you want to assign to the interface. In the previous, we create 2 variant, which is the 𝗀𝗏𝗁𝗔 and 𝗀𝗡ast variant in the captive portal menu. Note, every time you set the interface, ensure to click the Save button to apply the changes. Now I can easily select the theme variant since I already used the same alias in the antenna. As you can see, I use 20.0.0.1 instead the 10.0.0.1 since I assigned it in my VLAN setup. You may follow the setup in the video. I will set up first the other interface before I restart the machine. Now, after you click the Save button, just restart the machine to apply the changes. You may use the hard reboot since we are dealing with the interface setup, and it will take time to reboot compared to a soft reboot. Now let's try to connect if the 𝗀𝗏𝗁𝗔 and 𝗀𝗡ast antenna have different captive portal themes. 𝗀𝗡ast theme variant is now reflected. Let's try the 𝗀𝗏𝗁𝗔. It's awesome! One mini PC with a different portal per interface. We can replace the domain here with the different IP address assigned per interface. Open Machine Admin and go to the theme, then the captive portal, and then delete or leave blank the portal domain and centralized IP address. Reboot the machine to apply the settings. You may select the soft reboot this time. The 20.0.0.1 IP address is now reflected in the 𝗀𝗏𝗁𝗔 domain. Now, let's check the 𝗀𝗡ast setup. That's it, it works now. We almost complete all the requirements needed to create an advanced vendo setup. We're done in Wi-Fi rates, captive portal, then interfaces. Next is the payment portal where you can check the connection of both wired and wireless vendo. Just watch all the video in this playlist for advanced vendo setup. Thanks for watching.